Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, so what do we got going on today? We're going to start a new little series on Stillworks and Brewing, and it's going to be about tasting and recipes or favorites. Okay, first things first, like I always ask, if you haven't got it, if you already subscribed to the channel, hey, thanks a billion. Alright, if you haven't got a chance yet, it's easy, just hit that button down there. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. You can share us with your friends, would be a big help. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up at the end. And the last thing is, leave a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so let's get started now. Okay, so let me explain to you what I'm going to try to do. I've had a few requests, and I thought it was a good idea, is some of my products that I have made and I really enjoy, I would like to have a spot on our channel. I'll make its own playlist of a tasting of a product that we've made before. We'll describe that like usual, and then after that we can give out the ingredients and the procedures I use for that. So if there is something that I've made before, and if I have any of it left, I'll be glad to do a tasting on it. Just leave me a comment down below and we'll get to it. Okay, so alright, the first one we want to try, this is my pumpkin whiskey. This has to be one of my favorites. This particular bottle, and it's the last one that I got, it was done a year ago. It was bottled at 90 proof. Okay, a pumpkin whiskey. Alright, so let's give her a try. We'll see what we think now. It's been a year later. I mean, if you can see, the color is fantastic. First we're going to go with the aroma. Very, very pleasant. You might even get a little bit of a floral note, maybe just a little bit. I can smell some cinnamon. And since I know it's pumpkin, I can smell pumpkin, which you probably, if you didn't know, you probably wouldn't say there's pumpkin. But since I know it's pumpkin, I can smell the pumpkin. It does have a little bit of a spicy smell, and I'm assuming that's coming from the cinnamon. Okay, now the best part, we get to taste it. Got a nice little gentle bite to it. You know, don't take your breath away, but it's a nice gentle bite. Of course, I can smell or taste the, it's like the wood char, very pleasant. It's very clean, got a very clean mouthfeel to it. And like before, since I know it's pumpkin, I can taste the pumpkin, but it tastes very pleasant. I like that. Let me try some more. I mean, I do taste the spice. I would, and maybe a sweetness to it, but not really sweet. But I do. It just gives me a sweetness taste to it. Very, very, very pleasant. All right, and the finish on it, it's very crisp. The taste will come on, and it will give you a good mouth feel, and then it goes away. You know, it don't linger, it goes away. Very pleasant. It does have a warm feel. And maybe a little bit of woodiness to it. Okay. I can guarantee you one thing, that this, now that I brought this out of hiding, it won't last long. I mean, I try to hide at least one bottle away just to so nobody can see it. This one won't be out very long and it's going to end up disappearing. I think this would be a great success. I think anybody would enjoy this. And I will be making it again. Actually, I do have a little bit of plans. I wanted to, instead of using canned pumpkin next time, I wanted to use a fresh pumpkin. I got a fresh pumpkin. I'm going to roast it in the oven. And we're going to try that very soon. Okay? So, if you like pumpkin, you would like this pumpkin whiskey. Okay, here's our ingredients list. And our mash schedule. This is our ferment instructions coming up. Our distilling instructions and spices in the vapor trail. Finishing and bottling. So there is one of my favorite recipes. I think anybody would enjoy that whiskey. It's very, very good. And the only thing I got left to say is thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.